Hi there, welcome to House Talk. I'm Dylan Chalk. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my clock hour class, The Bones Beneath the Bling. It's a 4-hour clock hour class for Washington State Realtors, and it's a super fun way to earn clock hour credit. I'm a home inspector in Washington State. I've been doing home inspections since 2003, and I've done about 5,000 or more home inspections. The goal of both the book and the class was to try to teach people some innovative, helpful ways to look at houses. What I realized as a home inspector, particularly in the last few years, is how home buyers have very little opportunity to look at buildings. There's not a lot of inventory, inspection timelines are short or non-existent, and people need better skills for decisive decision making. You have to act quickly in this market. So there's some really fun and interesting stuff in the book. The class has a lot of great pictures, and we do a lot of storytelling, so it's not deep code or anything. It's a really fun class. If you'd like to have this class in your office, go to dylanchalk.com and visit our website, shoot us an email. We'd love to set up a class for you.